In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Display and Brightness. Then scroll to hit Font Settings and operate this slider under text size to adjust it. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!